Hey everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage field service tasks inside Odoo19. So we're going through a step-by-step manner. Don't worry, we'll cover how to create a new job, assign it to a technician, use worksheet templates, and track progress until its completion. Okay. So first, let's move to the field service task from the application launcher of Odoo. So let's start by searching for field service. And once we open the module, there you can find an option to click on new. So here it is the dashboard, the main dashboard of field service module. There you can find the existing field service task. From here itself, it's denoting in a different date and month as well. And there you can also find different kind of views, which means the can be listed. Map view, there we have the calendar, gun view, activity, pivot, and lastly here is the graph view. So before explaining about the views, you all know about what that exactly mean. Before that, we need to create a new task. For that, just click on the new button and let's create a new one. By clicking on that particular option, you will get a form like this and you need to fill out all such details regarding this particular task. Okay, so for creating a new task, we need to enter the task title. Firstly, so specifying the task title, here I'm going to give AC installation at customer site. Okay, so let me give a task title. So once you're done with that, we need to specify the project. If this particular task is belong to any particular project, you can simply mention this from here. So this is already selected as the field service, and there you can simply move to the internal link of that particular project from here itself. And there we have the worksheet template, which means you can simply install or give a particular worksheet template inside a task. You can create a template for each type of intervention. You have a customer and their content with your own custom fields. Okay, so you can simply create a worksheet template and use that inside a particular task. Okay, so such as here we have a device installation and maintenance. You can simply provide anything like assign the task to a technician under the assignee field, for example, Michelle admin as well. So here you can also find that assignee. And then we have the plan date. You can simply provide the plan date when this particular task should be done. So here it is today and I'm going to apply that. Once I'm done with that, okay, I want to give the end date as well. So I'm done with that and there we have the allocated time. You can simply provide the allocated time for this particular task. Let me give you 3 hours. Once I'm done with that, I am okay with these kind of things. And here we have a few more option, which is tags, customer, contact number, and under warranty. Okay, so here you can simply provide any kind of tags. So I don't know whether we have an AC or something or installation. No, we have any kind of tags. You can simply provide any tag from here itself. Okay, and then we have the customer side. You can simply provide the customer. So let me put a customer, which is deco edit. Once I'm done with that, if the particular customer's information or the information about their personal details is already recorded in your DB, it will be showing us like this. The Odoo will auto-populate the contact number and the address as well. And there you can find the irony also. And there we have the sale order item. If this particular task happen at the time, there we need any kind of product from our side, you can simply provide that. Okay, and for that you can see this is an option, sale order item. So if you want to build that particular thing, you can simply provide that thing from here itself, or if you don't want to build that product from our side, you can simply give empty like for this particular option. Okay, once I'm done with that, here we have the under warranty, because if it's sticker, the time and materials used for the task will not be billed to the customer. However, the inventory of confused material will still be updated. Okay, so you can simply click on this option if you want a warranty, and then we have the description. You can simply provide the description from here. Okay, so under the description tab, you can simply add any job instruction or site details. If this billable service, you can also add the product or material using user during a particular not a particular thing, using this task. So you can provide all such details from here, and you can do all such things. Here I'm not going to add any kind of description, and there we have the timesheet. So the employee can simply provide the timesheet of him from here itself, and there we have the subtask. In this particular task, there we have different kind of subtask. Okay, so you can assign that subtask by adding a line. Like if you want to do anything else, like fitting of AC, let me give you a subtask. And so I'm done with that. It's assigned to Michelle admin, and I can simply provide that. So I've done with a subtask along with the main task. Okay. So once we are done with that, there you can find two smart buttons, which is products and worksheet, which means that you can find the product that you said inside the task, and there we have the worksheet, which means you can see the worksheet of this particular employee using this option. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can simply go to the start button to start this task once your employees is there, or they can also click on the start icon, or you can simply save this task for the saving. So there you can find everything, and if it's started, there you can find it started and it's planned, in progress, and done. There we have different kind of stages. You can move through all those stages, and there we have the priority as well. So once you are done with that, if this have a high priority, you can simply provide priority from here itself. Okay, once you're done with that, let's move to the dashboard, and there we can find our task which we are assigned it now. So that's simple. You can create a task inside the field service module and assigning that to a particular employee in your company, and you can simply do all such things using the module. Okay, so I hope you all understood this video. If you found this helpful, please do subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll be back with another tutorial about the field service module. If you have any queries, please comment down below. So till that, bye bye.